Hey, for today's project, I got these adjustable wrenches made by Crescent Tool Company. Double-ended, maybe, I don't know. One side's for tightening, one side's loosening. One's metric, one's imperial, I don't know. But they're kind of stiff. So we'll just take them apart, clean them up, see what happens. So I'm taking that jaw out. See, it's pretty dirty. So we'll just get that cleaned up. Just squirted some WD-40 inside of there. Get that cleaned up too. See, that side's really bad. Let's Let's put it back together. Leave that WD-40 in there. See, these jaws are kind of beat up. Maybe you can, but pay attention to the camera instead of what I'm doing. Put your thumb screw in. There you go, that's a lot better. We'll put some real oil in there and do the other side. The other side of this one, you can see, looks like it has a replacement jaw in it. So this one has been worked on before. So we'll just take the screw out. Slide the jaw out. So here we are, got these all cleaned up. Start with the little one here, Crescent, 6 to 8 inch, replaced. I didn't replace the jaw, but somebody did, but all I did is clean up those rails now, so they move very easy now. It's amazing what a little bit of oil will do on that side. This is the 8 to 10 inch. I couldn't take this one apart because that screw, that's pretty boogered up right there, but these are pretty odd wrenches. I'm probably going to sell them. I really have no attachment to them, but anywho, thanks for watching.